Yes, hello, welcome to the channel. So from now on I will use this channel just for showing what I'm doing on my Hungarian farm here. And now it's winter time, so I'm processing my pig meat. That was the last thing, but I also was planting something because it's very dry here in this area. The last 2 or 3 summers, it was from April, there was no rain at all. That means I have to find possibility that how can I harvest something when there's no rain anymore. That the reason why I planted in end of November and December beans, for example, also carrots, anything that very early in the springtime they can use the, also now it was raining, but that they are not growing so much in when it's too dry. That's why I'm planting end of spring, end of autumn, and end of November or November and December I planted those. And yes, with the beans, those are a little bit hardy bean variety. I used also before I was planting this in January, February, and also in those months there are heavy frosts here in Hungary, and they always survived. That's why I planted them now. But now it was so warm the last weeks that they sprouted. So I have now beans in December. So sprouted beans, not no fruits, but no beans, but sprouted beans. And they confuse the weather also here, I think everywhere in the world, that we have very unusual weather those times this year. That means the last few weeks it was for 1 week warm, then one night it was heavy frost, and then again for 1 week plus 10-15 degrees Celsius, so pretty warm also in the night, and then again one night heavy frost, minus 3 or 4 or 5 degrees. So that means my beans are now sprouted in December, and this night was the first frost night, minus 5 degrees. And now I want to show you how my bean sprouts are developing. If they are still alive or if they are dying, we will see. So, as I see, there's not any damage to the beans. They are really very nice sprouting. You see here the whole row or 3 rows, very nice sprouted, and despite the frost, no harm done. I'm very curious how it will be developed, those sprouts, if we have a 1 or 2 or even 3 weeks altogether, very cold weather, frost also in the day. But I will keep you informed, so stay tuned with this channel, my Hungarian farm experiences, and like this video. Thank you, bye bye.